Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. So what I have for you today is this. I've already started. This is a project I'm doing. As you can see, I love glitters a lot, so anything that shines. So I'm going to do this rhinestone flowers. I've already started here. The first step will be to apply glue and place your rhinestone, after which you will tack it with your needle and thread. So I'm going to start. So apply your glue, glue, and then cut off the excess. So I'll repeat the same thing at the sides. Place the flat side. See the flat side. Ma. So we'll cut it. We'll repeat the same thing here too. And then finally, this is the last. So after applying your glue, the next step will be to tack it with your needle and thread. So place it here. Let your thread cross over here and pull gently. We're going to do that a second time. You call me. Oh, sorry. So I'm going to quickly finish this up and then we'll get to the second stage. So after we finish putting on our rhinestone, the next stage now will be to fill up the middle. So for this we're going to need this sequin, these are cup flowered sequins. So we need our thread, needle and thread as usual. We'll first of all pass our needle from under here. You can see it. Yeah. We pass it down again to stabilize the thread. We pass it up again. And then we'll pick up 4 seed bead. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We pull it down, and then we'll pass our needle down here and pull. Then you bring your needle up again in between the middle of the 4 seed bead. So that means you count 2 seed beads and pass your needle in between the 2 and then cross it over to tack it. I'll repeat myself again. Cross it over to tack it. And then pass it in between the 2 beads. So repeat again. Pick up another 4 seed bead. Pick up another 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Picking up 4 seed bead. Pull it down to meet the others. Take the measurement. Push it well. Pass your needle where it ends. So now we're going to pass our needle beside the 5th bead. Remember, we just put on 4 beads, so you count the last bead you put on from the first set of 4. We'll bring our needle up. Now that 5th bead, you pass your needle through it and through the remaining 5 beads. As you can see, and pull your thread. So we're going to repeat this again. Pick up another 4 seed bead. Pick up another 4 seed bead. Push it to meet the others. Pass your needle down. Count the 5th bead. Pass your needle beside the 5th bead. That's not the 5th. Yes. Pass your needle beside the 5th bead. Pass it through all the 5 beads and pull till you get to this edge. So you pick up another 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pick up another 4. Repeat the same thing. Push it. Pass your needle through. Down. Count the 5th bead. Count the 5th bead. Pass your needle through all of the beads and pull. So you can, as you can see, 4 beads will obviously be too much here, so you pick up as much as I can enter. I guess maybe 2 beads will enter. Continue here. Yeah, that's correct. Pass your needle. So now, since we put on 2 beads, we're not going to pass through 5 beads now. Instead, we're going to pass through 3 beads. That is the 2 we just put on, and the last one from the last set. That is 3 beads, and we'll pull. So we're done with, as you can see, the pattern. It's the pattern. We're going to repeat this 2 more times to get the third 3 rows. Yes, we're going to repeat it 2 more times to get 3 rows, after which we'll apply our flower sequins. So to start the next row, you turn your work, we'll pass our needle down and bring it up beside the bead we started. So we're starting again by picking up 4 beads, and there you repeat the same process. Okay, let me finish. Okay, so I've done the third row, so we're about to begin our sequins. So you pass your needle the middle of this tip, pass our needle, we pick up our cup bead. This is it facing upwards, this is it facing downwards. So pick it from down here, we pick up a seed bead too, 1 seed bead, and we'll push it to the end. Lift up your seed bead and pass your needle into our seed bead, into our sequin, sorry, and back into the material. So we'll secure our first sequin. Next one, repeat the same process. So you continue to repeat this process till you filled up the space, this space here, and you do the same for this remaining spaces. So let me repeat this one more time. Pick up the seed bead, pick up the sequin, sorry, pick up your seed bead. Okay, pick up your seed bead, pass your needle into the fabric. So we're going to continue till we're done. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video. Bye.